Yo guys, today you will learn how to do invisible iMessage messages. So first you write out your message. So I'm writing out my message now. It's a bit of a long one, but here we are. I'm going to finish writing out my message, and once I've written it out, I'm going to hold down on the send and click invisible ink. That is how you do it, guys. Invisible ink, and when they want to view it, they can just slide over the invisible ink and they can see the message. But as you can see, you cannot see the message now. So I'm going to send another one using the invisible ink tool. So here we go. I'm going to send it now, and there you go, you can't see it. So when you want to view the message, like I've just done there, just slide over the top of the message and that will reveal the message. After a while, guys, the message will disappear, as in you'll have to slide over with your finger to reveal the message, because it will be hidden behind the invisible ink again, and this will be repeated however many times you want to view the message after the time limit's gone, because it disappears and then you won't be able to view the message until you slide back over it. So it's sort of an interesting feature because it's like a safety feature, but not at the same time, because when your iPhone's unlocked they can still view it. And also, like, it's something to mess around with your mates, because when they're reviewing their messages they might not remember what they wrote, what you wrote even, and then they slide back over it to reveal what you wrote, so then you can view it again. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.